question. What kind of pressure is at the equator?
Low. Low and lousy.
What's happening with this air here? What's this arrow showing? Is the air rising or sinking?
Sing.
You can't get this wrong if you open up your eyes and look at it. They're rising. Air rises at the equator. What kind of pressure did you just tell me we have at the equator? Low pressure. So what's supposed to be in your head then when you look at this diagram? Is the air rising or sinking at the L? Most definitely rising. And if it's rising, it's coming in at the surface from all the other places. It's coming in and rising, forming clouds in the sky. How do clouds form? Rising air does what? Expands. As it expands, it cools. How far does it cool? Cools to what temperature? Dew point. Do you know this? Say it. Dew point. Say dew. Let me hear you say it.
Dew point.
Dew point. And when it reaches dew point, when the air temperature reaches dew point, what forms in the sky?
Clouds.
Clouds. R-E-C-C. Remember that?
Yes.
For which compass direction would the low pressure move if this storm followed a normal storm track? Towards the northeast. And how do I know that again if you don't have that memorized? You remember that this chart exists. Where is New York on this chart? Well, it's above 30 degrees north. You all know the latitude is in the 40s. That means we're right about here, somewhere. And what kind of winds are they showing us and telling us we have in our part of the world? Southwest, meaning which way do they come from? Southwest, and which way do they blow anything that's in the atmosphere? Towards the northeast. The arrow is headed towards the northeast. Remembering that this chart exists is important. Why I'm showing it to you. Does anybody have their reference tables open to this page?
We do.
Is anybody following along with me through their reference tables, through these questions? Because it really would be in your best interest to be doing that. Nice job, ladies.
Thank you. Shut up, Alex.
Let's
Yeah,
see
you.
if we can pick up the pace a little bit with this page.
Oh, man. No more. No. Don't touch it. I'm going to send it back up the video. You should stop the video. You should stop it.
When we're done with the other one, if you get done with this, you can start working on that. After you've done question 1, you're going to do question 2. I want you to show the work for question 2 on the bottom of your page. Use the edge of your other worksheet to help you with number 2. You might need a piece of paper. Get one of these. Girls, get one of these.
Wait, is that a second one?
No, it's the same one.
Okay.
Alex, do the front guy.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006.
Do this side first, okay? And show your work for number 2 on the bottom.
First one.
It's in the middle.
No, it would be 1,699.
You don't need a calculator, please don't get a calculator. If you're showing your work, you won't need a calculator.
Mr. Lloyd, we have a question.
Up in here, like, would you count the middle of it, or would you just count the size of it?
Because of the way the question's worded.
possible elevation of point X. Point X is not on the line.
So would it be the?
So would it be higher than,
It would higher.
because mountains don't have flat tops. They have, so it's higher than that. But
Yeah, I didn't know if they meant like the highest line that you could
you
get.
do know that, because look what it says. What is the highest possible elevation of point X? Circle of point X. Now, where is point X?
Right in the middle.
It's not on the line. That's why I'm saying you do know. They're very, very, very literal with the questions. Okay?
Thank you.
Welcome. Good question.